Hello, my name is Christina from Disrupt Ordinary and the Finally Visible Academy, and today I'm talking to all of you small business owners out there who are offering or want to be offering online classes to your customers. So this is all of my gyms, my yoga studios, my music instructors, karate studios, dance studios, anything like that where you are used to having people come in person to your facility to take classes or trainings with you. Okay, so in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of different small businesses were affected. But specifically, these type of businesses where people were used to them coming in, they needed to adapt, and they needed to adapt quickly in order to be able to keep holding classes, keep holding trainings, but do it in an online way. So if you are there, if you have not adapted to this yet, if you want to be doing it, even after everything is over, it's a great way to be able to ensure that you can, no matter what, always be offering your customers the guidance that they need to keep going and keep succeeding, okay? So today, I want to talk to you about how you can create online classes, whether that's live online classes or it's pre-recorded online classes, whether it's one-on-one or it's in a big group setting. No matter how you want to do it, you can create these and you can create them online, all right? So I'm going to talk to you about that today, and I'm going to show you how you can get that all set up for your business. So there's 4 main components that go into creating these classes, getting them all online, and being able to get your customers into them and have them start absorbing that content, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a web page. All right, so just a simple web page. Don't try and go too crazy or too overboard with any big fancy websites yet. You just need one page to get this started. All right, so if you currently have a website, like you're using a WordPress website, Wix, Squarespace, whatever it is that you're using, you can just create a new page on that website. If you don't, you'll use a landing page builder. Now, what's gonna be on this page? This page is going to talk strictly about the class or classes that you're offering, okay? So if you offer 15 different services, you do not want to incorporate all 15 different services on this page. You want this page to be structured around one main core offer, right? So maybe that's a membership for these online classes, or maybe you're just promoting one single online class, like join us on Tuesday at 8 o'clock for our online class. Whatever it is, you're going to create this page, and then you're going to talk all about this class, what it is, why people need it, exactly who it's for, who it's gonna help, and really just why these people should be signing up. Now keep in mind, if you own a gym or something like that, sometimes people are skeptical, right, when things are taken online. People are, they go to the gym for 15 years and they're used to going to the gym, doing these classes there. So when you're creating this virtual setting for this, you have to keep those things in mind and remember that people might have critiques about it, right? And you need to be able to explain to them how you're going to give them the same kind of experience just in a virtual setting. So for example, if you're a gym, maybe you want to really talk about how everything is still going to be super energetic, how maybe you and your partner or your business partner or whoever it is are going to be doing it together. That way you can keep up the energy. Maybe you're going to talk about, the different types of equipment you'll use or how the class is going to go. Whatever it is, be as detailed as possible. That way anybody who might have some criticism towards it can tend to understand that now, even though it's virtual, they're still going to get the same value out of this class, okay? So on that page, you really want to be specific. You want to keep your copy concise. You want to include images of different things that might be associated with your class, and you want to give a call to action. So this is the most important thing that I can talk about on your page. Do not say something like, if you want to learn more, reach out. Or I would tend to stay away from even saying something like, if you want to learn more, send us an email or give us a call, right? People in today's day and age want to be able to take an action and take that action quickly. So that means that they don't want to have to go find their phone, pick it up, dial your number, learn more about it, get something in the mail, whatever it is. They want to be able to click a button, fill out a form, register, be signed up, all within 2 minutes, right? So that brings us to the next thing that you're gonna do. So step number 2, on that page, you're going to create a form or a scheduler, okay? So if it's just a one-time class, like I said before, if it's just at one designated time, you can probably suffice with just a form, right? So if you just need their name, their email, their phone number, whatever it is, a form will do. But if it's a versatile thing where they have to be able to pick the time that works best for them, having some type of scheduler will probably work best for you. That way they can go, they can see the calendar with the available times, they can click the date and the time that works best for them, and they can sign up, okay? So you want either your form or your scheduler. And again, we do have both of these elements included in our software, but if you're not using our software, you can always use something like Gravity Forms, Jotform, Calendly, different things like that to accomplish these goals and get that one element up on that landing page of yours. Now, the third thing that you're going to need is some type of payment processor. Okay, so this is something that people tend to overlook when they're creating landing pages. They can create a page, but they don't know how to actually accept the payments from their customers. Now, if you're already working with a software, say like QuickBooks or something like that, where you can send people out an invoice, you can do it that way, that's fine. However, I always recommend Stripe to people when they are creating landing pages and trying to accept payments. So in our business automation software, we have an integration for Stripe, makes it super easy. So basically what happens is when you create your form or when you create your scheduler, as they're filling out their information, it just has a credit card field. So they can go, they can put their credit card information in, everything is super secure, and then they can submit it and automatically you get paid and it charges them, right? So guys, I really want to stress this. Use a secure payment gateway, so like Stripe, right? Because what happens is that Stripe holds their information, but your website or your page does not. So if you have any regular form on your website and you're trying to collect credit card details in that form that you're then gonna go like charge on your own, this is a very unsafe, unsecure way of collecting that information. That means if anybody went on and tried to like hack your website, they can steal this information. It'll be there for them to steal your client's credit card information. So make sure that however you're collecting this payment information, you're doing it and you're doing it in a very secure way, all right? I always recommend Stripe. I think that it's super easy to use. It's very affordable and it makes it so that you have that added layer of security so you don't have to worry, okay? So that was your last step there. And now I'm going to move on to the next step. So the next step is going to be where you actually are hosting these classes, okay? So you have two different options here that are both free. I mean, there's a million different options out there, but these are the two that I have found are really kind of the easiest to use, and you can get them set up very quickly. So first option that I'm sure you've heard about by now is Zoom. So Zoom is a free video conferencing software. So basically all you do is you sign up for a free Zoom account, you schedule out a meeting, and then you can send that meeting information to your customers, and at the designated time, they go and they join you in that meeting. So you can go ahead, you can share your screen with them, they can share their screen, you can do a video of yourself, they can do a video of themselves. So this works out really well for specifically person-to-person meetings. Say if you're a financial advisor or a therapist or like anything like that where you want to have these meetings face-to-face, Zoom is the perfect solution for you, okay? Now, if you have a bigger setting of people, say you're doing a 50-person class, right? And you wanna just be able to get all of these people on, you want people to be able to view the class after it's been done and different things like that, I would recommend a Facebook group. So this is a really simple solution to kind of get people seeing your content, seeing it quickly, and seeing it all in one place. So basically what you do is you go onto Facebook, you create a group, you can make it a private group, and then once somebody signs up for your membership or your classes, what you do is you go ahead and you tell them, okay, now sign up for our private Facebook group here, right? They go ahead, they sign up, and then they can go in and they can access any content that's in that group. So you could do live videos in there, you could do pre-recorded videos in there, you can share posts and resources and all this different content. And then if they're not a member, or if they cancel their membership, you can take them out of the group. That way they won't be able to see that content anymore unless they pay you again. All right, so this is, like I said, really quick solution. It's free. Both of these options are free for you to use, and it's a really simple way to get your classes up and running, all right? So guys, I highly recommend that if you do offer any type of classes or trainings, that you do get yourself online. Because regardless of what is happening in the world, getting your stuff online in this way makes it so that no matter what, you can always be there for your customers. You can always be a resource. You can always show up for your customers, and you can keep that revenue coming in the door no matter what is going on, right? So I would highly recommend setting this up. As you move on, you can, add some more elements to this equation. You can add a thank you page after people have registered. You can do different webinars and things like that. You can add these pages onto your website and build more pages depending on the different products or classes that you offer. But to start, make sure you get these 4 basic elements up and running, all right? Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Myself and my team will be happy to help you. And also, if you would like a free 14-day trial of our business automation software, go ahead, click the link below. It is 100% free, and it will show you how you can do this like literally within a couple of days. Get this all set up, get it going, all right? Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you really, really soon. Bye.
Thank you.